You wanna know what's funny? There's some people out there think they can make me squeal in a matchup with them. I remember my brother making me squeal when I first started off. I had learned to toughen up and not fucking be a little bitch. If you guys can make me squeal, then let's actually do this in the yard. Because I am not scared to face anyone. I'm not scared of anyone unless they come to my attention. Size don't matter. Fat bitches don't matter. I'll wreck them to a pulp. DJ Benz isn't a person to be fucking with. People giving me shit in the past for being a shitty wrestler, don't know how to wrestle, pushing other wrestlers that don't make sense, bad booking. People always giving me shit for that. But to be honest, the whole reason why I threw all that away, it's because I didn't want anything to do with it anymore because I was losing interest. I was losing interest of running companies. And people think in the back of their heads, oh, he's gonna make another company. I'm not making companies. It's a show I have now. It's not a company, it's a show. This is gonna be the Do Ben's takeover. Just remember that. Do Ben's takeover is coming. And I remember something else too. I'm gonna come to that in a second. Going back to people making me squeal, it's gonna be the other way around. I'm gonna make you guys squeal. Like mouses. Like weasels. Like guinea pigs. Like rats. I can tell you right now, I'm the person you should have your attention towards. Because I am capable of a lot of things. I may not look like it, but I am capable of putting up matches. I am capable of championships. I am championship material. I'm here to piss you guys off. I'm not coming to the company because the universe wants me. I don't go there just because the fans want me. I only go to places because I want to win matches. I want to win championships. I don't give a fuck about fans. I don't give a fuck about anybody. I don't give a fuck about anyone's opinions. I don't give a fuck. You can throw a bunch of bullshit at me all you want because I don't give a fuck. If you have a problem with me, then we will settle it. Just remember, don't press my fucking buttons.